What's up YouTube, it's Jay here again from the Millionaire Mindset channel, and in today's video I have a real banger for you guys. I've put together this amazing training slash tutorial slash you could say free crash course on how you can make money online with affiliate marketing and with digistore24.com. Digistore24 is very easy to sign up. You can become an affiliate and make money off your phone, off your PC, online, anywhere in the world, off other people's products that you don't even need to create. I've been doing affiliate marketing for the last couple of years now, and it's one of my full-time and biggest streams of income. So on my channel, I'm teaching tons of daily tutorials on how to make money online, drop servicing, affiliate marketing, drop shipping. So if you want more content like that, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload a value-packed video just like this one. Quickly, this person over here was the winner of the $10 giveaway. Well done to you. Make sure to read the pinned comments at the end of this video, so make sure to watch this video through. I'm going to do a $20 giveaway, so make sure to watch until the end so that you can see how to win $20. Now I quickly wanted to show you, we're going to be using a brand new website to make money with Digistore24 and with this simple tutorial. This website I'm about to reveal is currently blowing up. It's a great time to make use of this tool because you can get tons of clicks, traffic, sales on your affiliate links. So over here you can see in December, November and October period last year, this website was getting 7.8 million to 14 million to about 10 million views per month. Suddenly in January 2021, it blew up all the way to 50.4 million views. In February, it came down a bit to 27 million views, which is still pretty high. So this is a great viral time, kind of like TikTok, to really blow up in sales and get tons of affiliate commissions, and use this video that I'm about to teach you right now while it's still hot. I also want to show you, take a look at where all the traffic from this website is coming from. There's not one single third country listed here. That's a good thing because all the traffic from United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia and France is first world country, high value traffic, where countries that have strong currencies, people have a lot of money, people are willing to learn and invest into different, could be anything, courses, or invest into making money online. So we can utilize this high paying and valuable traffic, like I'm going to teach in this video, to really skyrocket your earnings and actually get affiliate sales and commissions. Not like those other strategies where you just spam everywhere, you get a couple of links and clicks, but you don't end up getting any sales. This is very different, very unique, so I suggest watch this one until the end so that you can get your first sale from this video. Alright, so I'm going to come back to Digistore24 over here. I'm going to show you each and every step on my screen to make this as easy as possible for you. The first thing you need to do is come over to digistore24.com. This is how you spell it on the screen. Come over to register now over here on the top right. All you need to do is fill in some basic information. You want to select an affiliate over here, enter your name, your email, password, your time zone, and all this other information over here. You can register completely for free. There's no submission and waiting for your application to be approved. You can sign up straight away and get your account and start making commissions already. Alright, so I just quickly wanted to interrupt. If you guys want to quickly get a 40-minute free masterclass or training with me and from me on how I generated $228,000 net profit in 2020 alone, drop servicing, come over to this website over here called www.dropserviceexpert.com, or you can click the first link in the description. It will take you to a page like this. There's an entire 26-minute free training set for you to watch that will teach you how I did this, what drop servicing is, how you can get started, replicate these results yourself, and all the results from my stores from this free training. All of this is in the first link in the description below. Alright, so I'm now on the back end of my Digistore24 account, and take a look at this. There are tons of different categories of different products that you can go and promote. So you can go and promote a product in each and every one of these categories and make money and sales and get traffic from all of them. My top 3 niches would definitely business and investment, email marketing, and internet marketing and e-business, because it applies with everyone. It provides the most value. Over here you can see a couple of other people's courses, products, softwares, tools that you can become an affiliate for. So for example, this is an entire cryptocurrency trading course where if you promote as an affiliate, you will get $389 commissions per sale. This course over here is a dropshipping course where you get $157 per person that you refer to this course. And for the purposes of this video, guys, and because I'm also into the make money online, business and investment and internet marketing and e-business niche, I need to use the business and investment niche to find a product for myself. But you can come over to family and fitness, fitness and kids, food and drinks, games and fun if you're into any other niche, or you want to create some Instagram page or monetize that in various different ways. I would say choose a niche that is in your passion or something that you you're passionate about, because then you can turn a field that you have knowledge in or that you're passionate about into a business using affiliate marketing and using an affiliate marketing product in that niche of your interest. So over here, since I'm into the affiliate marketing niche, I'm just going to use this course over here that I can become an affiliate for and get $477.25 per sale. So this is a done-for-you services affiliate marketing system that you can buy that will generate affiliate marketing commissions for you. And I can also go and promote this as an affiliate. You'll see over here is my unique affiliate link. Every time someone clicks on this link, buys this done-for-you services affiliate marketing system, I get $477.25 rewarded to me from this personal company's product as a thank you for promoting their product. Now, when I copy this link, guys, and open it in a new tab, it's going to take you to a done-for-you landing page that actually offers a free training. So take a look at this. You can actually turn your spare time into a profitable business. Over here, you can register for free training. So what we can go and do is we can go and use this free training or free spot in this webinar to use as a hook to get people to join this free training. You're giving them free value, which will then upsell them to the course, which you'll get your commission. So I always like these kind of products that offer some kind of free training or free value, simply because people like it when you can give them free value. In this case, that's what we're going to be doing. And the next thing that I want you guys to do is come over to this brand new website that I've not spoken about before called Gabcom, which is a new social media website that I saw off another YouTube video that was quite new in today's world. I immediately took action and got results from this. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can take action with this website. The first thing you need to do is you need to sign up an account. Click on sign up over here. It's completely free. It's very similar to like Facebook or Instagram. It's just an alternative that is really going viral right now, which is the same website that I showed you over here in the beginning of this video that is blowing up in traffic. So all you need to do is enter your username, your email address, your password, confirm that this captcha down below, and your account will be signed up completely for free. Once you've done that, you can see your account will pop up like this. You can see I've created my brand new account. And what exactly is this website? So this website, like I just explained, is a social media website very similar to, it looks more like Facebook than anything, with all the menu options and that over here, where you can give a big reach out to people, you can start conversations, you can join groups, you can do all sorts of things to reach out and find communities that you didn't even know existed around the world that you can use to monetize and make money with using your affiliate links and providing your free training. Why I'm using this website is because it's brand new. It's absolutely taking off. It's not like Facebook or Instagram that has now died down. It takes forever to go viral. You can post one post and get 100,000 views overnight on this website if you use the strategy that I'm about to show you, because it's very similar to TikTok right now. You can post a video, it goes viral anytime, and when it goes viral, it reaches millions of people. What you want to do, guys, if you come over here to where it says groups, it's going to take you to a page like this where we can go find tons of groups, and you want to search for a group that's into your niche or that's similar to your niche. So because I'm in the make money online affiliate marketing niche, you can search food, fitness, family, whatever niche you've chosen. So I'm just going to go make money online, or you can search business, finance, affiliate marketing groups. Then we just click on groups again over here. Over here, you can see tons of different affiliate marketing groups that have recently been created. You can actually see how new this website is, how quickly you can actually blow up on the site, because in this particular category, affiliate marketing, it's still very new. There's one group over here with 270 members, 60 members, 20 members, and some smaller groups over here that we can go and use to make money online. We don't only have to use affiliate marketing. We can go, for example, search for money groups over here. Just type in money on the search bar, click on see more over here. You can see a whole bunch of money groups over here. You can also go and search for people that are in the make money online niche, such as money pouch, money chimp, money penny, money line, money uncensored, which is all pages or people that have got to do with the make money online niche. Once you've found a group, guys, and you've joined a couple of those groups and you've followed a couple of people in those groups, I want you to come over to the plus sign over here next to the group's name. Click on the plus sign and we are going to go and create a new group, such as we can name it the Done For You Services Affiliate Marketing System. You can put a short description over here saying that insane marketer Wesley Virgin and Ria have created an offer that is not only making affiliates wealthy, but helping hundreds of millions of newbies earn money online. So over here, where I got that was I just came over to the course over here that I'm an affiliate for now, and just use their description for the description of my group. You can do this for the category. We can go business. For the tags, we can go make money online. For the cover image, we can just use the image product over here. You just go right click, open image in new tab. You can save this to your PC. And for the password, you don't need a password. I would say keep this a public group that anybody can join. All you want to do is click on update group over here. So you've now created a group on Gab.com related to your Digistore 24 product that you're now an affiliate for. And what you want to do is you want to come back to the search bar and come back to all of these other affiliate marketing groups. So let's just go search some more groups at the top. Let's click on see more over here. You want to open up a lot of these in new tabs, and you want to go and see what people are posting in these groups so that you can go and give an idea of what to repost. So you can see people are posting quotes. Some people are posting YouTube videos. People are posting there, looks like they're affiliate links to other groups. There's a Pi network over here and tons of other, you can see YouTube videos, people trying to get views and other different things that people are trying to promote. So if you want to start building a group and really grow fast, come over to Instagram and just search, for example, motivation. You want to find Instagram motivation pages, just open up a bunch of these in a new tab, and you can actually go and repost all of these quotes over here. Any of these, just tag the page. This is quite a nice page over here. Some of these posts over here, reposted onto your group that you've now created on Gab.com. Credit them on Instagram, and you literally have unlimited content for your group. You can come over to YouTube and search for affiliate marketing and put some of these videos. You can just copy the link, so you can right click, copy link address, and you can go and post some of these YouTube videos in your groups as resources or references or just free trainings for people in your group. And you can use a tool like hashtag generator over here. So all you do is you insert a word over here. So let's just go and make money. We can go, for example, top, click on generate over here. This tool is all hashtag.com. Take a look at this. It generates so many different hashtags for you that you can go and copy, post in your group over here. Hashtags help a lot when blowing up on these new platforms such as Gab.com. I've personally posted some posts that got over 1,000 views in the first day just using these hashtags and using this hashtag generation tool. And if you want to up the notch a bit, you can come over to a website like Cartridge.com, create your own landing page, collect emails, and build an email list, which you can make hundreds of dollars from every single day by sending promotional emails, sending different affiliate links, sending coupons to this entire email list. So I've personally built an email list of about 11,000 people using strategies like this, and I've built different funnels and campaigns. So this over here is a web page that I give away a free training to a ClickBank product that I'm an affiliate for called Video Marketing Blaster. So when people enter their name and email, they can watch this free video or free training on this tool, but I collected their email and name. That's the main goal. Then in the future, I will send them daily emails or tips or tricks, advice perhaps, and they get a lot of value, which could later draw them back to buying your affiliate product. It is very powerful in today's online world if you're an online entrepreneur to collect emails, build an email list, give stuff away for free. The best way to do that is you can come over to these groups, post something for free, a YouTube video that's connected to your landing page on Kartra. Like I've created over here. You can import a done for you one. It's super easy to set up. Kartra has a whole Kartra training program that you can go and take, which is included in your Kartra account. So I definitely recommend doing something like this or investing into a tool like this if you really want to scale your business and really collect a lot of leads and make multiple streams of income online. So once you've done that, whether you've created your own landing page with Kartra or you're just going to use the direct affiliate link of Digistore 24, I'm going to come over to Gab.com and I'm going to write a little script for you guys that you can use. Have you ever wanted to start a profitable side hustle and make some extra cash from home? If you have and you don't know where to start, I'm going to show you where you can get some free training and make some serious money online. Spaces are filling up fast. You want to give people an idea that spaces are filling up fast. You've got to click on that link now and join that free training now before anybody else grabs those spots. It's a cool marketing trick that a lot of online entrepreneurs use to get people to sign up onto their product or their free training. Click here to book your spots in this free masterclass over here. So here I've got my link to my Kartra page where I collect people's emails, which once after that takes them to my Digistore 24 product landing page over here. Otherwise, if you don't have your own landing page, try use your affiliate link. Sometimes it might get banned. That's why I like using a page builder such as Cartridge.com that builds landing pages that look like this. So definitely recommend that. Otherwise, try use your affiliate link. Once you've done that, you can click on post over here and it will post through to your group, and you just want to get our daily content. Use these Instagram pages over here. Use the YouTube channels over here where people give tons of free value courses. And the idea is you just want to keep on getting content going to get exposure on Gab.com, to grow your group as much as possible. And I would say set a goal for yourself of getting 10K members in your first 5 months. If let's say 10 out of those 10K members convert every single day, that's well over $1,000 to $2,000 plus per day. Then you can eventually get to $5,000 per day, and you can become a top dog and make $10,000 per day if you do this for 2 years. And let's say you get a group of 100,000 people. That's a lot of people to make a lot of money online from by giving free trainings, signing up to your various different affiliate products. And that's just how much you can scale long term with this. So I'm hoping you can see the power of consistency and effort with this. As promised in the beginning of this video, I'm going to be doing a $20 giveaway. All you need to do is leave a like on this video. You have to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come over to my latest Instagram post over here. Comment on this Instagram post your favorite motivational quote, something inspirational, or anything positive. Then I want you to come back to this YouTube video over here, comment done, and tag your Instagram username so I can see that you're done and have a look on the quote that you've done so. In tomorrow's video, I will announce the winner of that $20 giveaway by putting your name on the screen over here. And also don't forget to come over to the first link in the description to have a look at my 26-minute free training on my Drop Servicing Expert University and course, as all of this is personal information that I use to generate about $10,000 to $40,000 per month. I actually give to you one of my done-for-you drop servicing agencies over here that you can put into action straight after buying this course and see results and sales in your first day. Tons of value, tons of effort that has been put into this course. So really suggest go and give this free training a watch. Without further ado, I'll see you in tomorrow's video for that giveaway.